Hi guys, Mike Bittner coming to you again from Dapra with today's tech tip. Customers ask us pretty regularly if our cutters are capable of hard milling. As a matter of fact, just yesterday a customer was asking about face milling D2 at 62 Rockwell. The answer is yes, it can be done, but it takes a specific approach to make it happen. Generally, with the cutting edge or the geometry of the insert, we like to use a round insert because of its high strength. Similarly, the edge type, instead of using a honed edge, we're going to use a strong T-landed edge so that it can hold up to that stress of the hard milling. We'll use our hardest grade of carbide so that it can handle the heat, and we'll use our highest temperature coating for the same reason. We generally are going to run on the very low end of the surface footage range for the insert. We're going to run at a very low feed per tooth. In fact, this is one case where our feed per tooth will not exceed the width of our T-land. We're actually going to cut with the negative edge of our T-land for the most strength. We'll run about 30% width of cut, which is very low compared to normal milling applications, but again, we're trying to control that heat. And we'll run a light depth of cut in this material, about 10 thousandths. So we'll show you an example how we would remove 30 thousandths worth of material from a block of 62 Rockwell D2. So if you periodically need to do some hard milling, this will be great information for you.